Hello guys, how are you doing? I hope everyone is doing great. This is your girl Sonjela. If you are first on this channel, my name is Sonjela. I am a content creator. I'm from Rwanda. Hi, how are you? So subscribe if you are new to this channel. This channel is for a diet plan. It's for people who want to know things and things, many things. It's about vlogs, about losing weight, about story, about getting wealth. It's many things. So guys, today video I'm gonna tell you how you can be successful in life. I'm going to tell you 10 steps you can use to be rich. Yeah, 10 steps that can help you in a business if you are a business partner, if you are a business owner. So I'm going to tell you 10 things you can do for in order to be successful. So guys, let's start with the first things you can do in order to be successful is to believe in yourself. Guys, as you see me now, I'm here. I was agent before. It's cheap job, but it pay me more. But in it, I believe in myself. When I see the girl wearing nice fancy clothes, I believe that one day me too I'm going to do it. So guys, believe in yourself. This is the first things you can do if you want to start business, if you want to be successful in life. Just first you have to believe in yourself. And second things is to set a clear goal. Just say the second thing is to set your goal. Just say, I want to be here. I'm here now. I want to reach here. For example, me, I was an agent. My goal was I wanted to be like there's people. I want to have my own company in under my name. So if you want to be successful, set your goals, make decision. Don't say, hey, I want to be a pharmacist. I want to just set your goal of what you want to become in the future. The third thing is learn from your failure. Maybe you start a business and you failed. Just learn from what mistake did you do that made you fail. So guys, I want to tell you that when you are starting business, you have to make sure that you will fail or you will gain. Just sometimes failing is it should could give you a strength so you can be successful. Me, one day I buy a motor. I bought a motor, this motor that motor used, but I didn't sell anyone. I lost all of them. I lost more money in it. I invested in it and I lost. So I'm telling you guys, learn from your failure and achieve the future. The fourth thing is to keep getting knowledge. So guys, the third thing that can help you to be successful in your future is to learn more skills and knowledge. For example, that you have a salon, you are the owner, but you don't know anything about it. You have to go in other salon and you see what they use. Just you have to learn more skills and knowledge about what you want to do, about what is you plan to do. You have to get, even if you are in it, you have to keep getting knowledge. For example, you are a lodge owner, you have to go in other lodge and check what they are doing. You have to get more skills and knowledge. So guys, the five things is surround yourself by people that believe and support you. For example, these days we are having wrong people. Like you have a friends that don't believe in you. Every time when you tell them about business, they say, "Hey, this is not good. This can't work." They don't believe you, and they are not positive. They are always negative. They can't give you advice. Just surround yourself with people, important people. That's what I can say now. If you are a business owner, you can surround yourself with other business owners, rich people, the friend that can give you advice, a good advice, not friend that will tell you how to spend money. That's not a good friend. So guys, this was the five. I want to tell you that surround yourself by people that are positive, that are supporting you. That's good. So the sixth thing is to learn to say no. Many people don't say I will see, we will see once your answer is no. Just learn how to say yes when it's yes, and things here is to learn how to say no. Don't say we will see, we shall see. Once you know your answer would be no. Just learn to say yes when it's yes and learn to say no when it's no. Some business fail because you refuse to say no or yes. So guys, I wanna tell you that in your business or in your life, learn to say no. If you don't like someone, say no. Don't say let's be friends. How? Just if you see that your answer is no, just say no. Don't say we shall see. Yeah, then to say yes when it's yes, and when then to say no when it's no. Another thing is don't tell people about your plans, especially your friends. Actually, uh, your friends are your enemy in a secret. Your best friends are enemy in secret. So learn not to tell people about your business, about your plans, about what you are planning to do. This is the first failure. Just me. I used to tell many people about myself, about what I want to do, what I want to become, but they are the one that sabotage my profit, that sabotage my business. Some discourage me to do what I wanted to do. So don't tell people about your plans. Show them the result. You are enough. Just believe in yourself. You can do it. Don't tell people about yourself. So another thing is invest in yourself. Invest in yourself is like you have to be nice. Like you have to wear nice, you have to go in gym, you have to eat healthy. Like you know yourself, you are the first investment. So invest in yourself. So guys, I was telling that investing in yourself is the first thing in the business, because if no you no business. If you are sick, how are you going to do business once you are sick? It's impossible. So I was telling you that invest in yourself. Go to gym, eat healthy, go to swimming pool, wear nice clothes, just be good. Another thing is leave your past behind. Many people we are failing because we told our friends or our people about our past. Just know that your friends now may be an enemy in the future. So telling people about your future, your past is not good, because you are the one who know truth about your past. But that past, your past, the things you told about your friend, they may use it against you in the future. So make sure don't tell people about your past. This is your life. This is your decision. If you talk, I know we talked. Me too, I even talked about my past. I told my friends about what happened to me, about my family, about my boyfriends. But I know now I'm doing a YouTube channel, but I'm sure that in the future, the past I told them will be the one that came to against me. Some of them they were friends, but now we are strangers. We pass like this. We don't even say hi to each other. So learn to keep your past, because these things have failed me also. Now I'm afraid it will come back in the future. And many people there we talk about it. I know because I told my friend once we were friends, but now we are enemy. What will happen? She will use it against me. So make sure that you don't tell people about your past, what happened to you in the past, your secrets, and keep the secret also. We know that we do things in secret, so don't talk about your past. So another thing is do unto others as you would have do and do to you. This means what you want. If you want to, if you want me to help you, did you help other? Just this what means. So my last thing is to accept the failure. If you fail, oh, sorry. If you fail today, it's not your last. You can start again and do it. Like me, let me tell you guys about something. Most of you, you know me on Binance, but I wanna tell you that I know Binance. Once I went in a scam. I was just an agent, and someone come introduce me scam business. I invested and I lost all of my money. I left with even money not up to 1 million Rwandan franc. So I started to learn about Binance. I learn just that's how I learn it. I don't want to talk more, guys, about Binance. That you can fail, you can lose. So I don't want to talk more. But what I can tell you is learn from your failure. If you fail, don't sleep. Wake up. That's your failure. Just see what happened, what caused me to fail. So you can work again and do, and I know you can do it better. Me also, I failed. I told you about my motto. I invested in motors and I lost it all of it. But I didn't go and sleep and say this business I'm failed. I don't want to work. I was telling you, once I failed, I waked up and I went to do business also, and now I'm starting to be successful. So, guys, especially girls, you girls, we all get many girls. You want to make like this. You want to get money from your boyfriend, from your father, from your man. This is not good as woman. You know, we have to do business, we have to work also, we have to build a house, we have to travel like others, we have to have a successful business. If you are girls, you are a woman, I don't care, but wake up, let's do business. If me, I have many dreams, I want to be very very successful. I wish God give me a time. So guys, this was your guest on Angela. I was telling you 10 things you can do in order to achieve in life, not only in life, even in business. Just make sure that you listen to it. And guys, I love you so much. My name is Angela. I'm your girl. I will do many things. I will share you my story, my many things. I will do vlogs on this channel. We do a lot of things. So guys, just subscribe and like, share, and comment. So guys, I love you. And I hope everyone liked my story, liked me. Bye bye.
Angela, nous sommes capables.
Alpha Production.
C'est ça.
On a show, yeah, on a show, yeah, on a show, yeah. On a show, yeah.